What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
This tutorial will guide you through the popular Roblox game Fisch, covering essential gameplay mechanics such as fishing, acquiring new rods, managing bait, and understanding the game's bestiary. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this guide will equip you with the knowledge you need to succeed. Actually, playing this game is easy. Even kids will like this game because the mechanics of the game are basic. There will be more if you are an explorer when playing games. All you have to do is find a fishing spot to fish. After you find a fishing spot, you can see at the bottom of the screen the button you need to tap on your keyboard to use the item. If I tap on the number 1 key on the board, I will use the rod to catch a fish. To check the bag equipment, tap on the number 2 key to choose a bait. As you can see on the screen, if you have more than one rod, you can use it by tapping the number 2 key. If you catch any fish in this game, you can check this information by tapping on the number 3 key. And there, I am new to this game, but after a few, I know some basic knowledge. So let's tap on the number 1 key to use the rod. While using the rod, hold and click the left button. And as you can see, while I'm holding the left click button, the bar appears where you need to make a timing. You can discover more by playing this game for a long time. Now you are equipped with the essential skills to thrive and fish on Roblox. Remember to manage your inventory wisely, choose the right rods and bait, and explore the bestiary to enhance your fishing experience. Dive into the game, enjoy the adventure, and keep honing your skills for even greater success.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.